Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is an animal. It's a large, marine mammal known for its intelligence and majestic size, generally friendly to humans. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as whale. Whale. Here we go again. Whale. Whales are known for their impressive size, with some species being the largest animals on Earth, and their complex vocalizations, often referred to as whale songs. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about whales, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.